Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, we out here have baked. Yesterday was 420, but that's not what I mean. I mean this. The only kind of baking I do, unless it's cookies, which even then, store-bought, already cooked, ready proportioned in the oven, 14 minutes. Anyway, moving on. Today's video, I really wanted to do something fun. I wanted to do makeup that I wear a lot, and that is makeup for glasses. Now, I do wear glasses. I wear them quite a lot, especially pretty much at work now. I have to wear them, otherwise I'll be squinting all day, every day, no matter what I do. I just feel like it's gotten worse and worse, and it's probably accelerated by the fact that I am constantly looking at a computer screen at work 40 hours a week, and also on my phone, you know, anything. That's just how things are these days. So I wear glasses a lot, and I have 3 pairs. I just ordered 2 really cute frames from glassesusa.com, and I'm obsessed with them. So I just really wanted to show you guys some looks that you can do. I'm going to do 2 videos for this. Today's the first one, and this video is going to be a look with a nice fierce wing. I will throw some eyeshadow in there, but very subtle. The focus is going to be the cat eye look. So right now, I already, you know, as you can see, I've already started the process. So I'm going to do the eyeshadow portion for you on camera. I'm going to be taking my Tartelette in Bloom palette. I love this palette. It is beat up though, but I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Smarty Pants, and it's more of a cool tone brown. And I'm just going to take that on my Morphe M504. I have like 5 of these. These are the best. And we're just going to dust that into the transition area. I didn't use eyeshadow primer today, just concealer, and then I just set it with some translucent powder. Okay, so now I got that shade down. Again, this is just really to warm up the eye. You can bring it out farther than you normally would. I like to bring it out a little far. My eyes are small. I've said that so many times on here. And sometimes if you're wearing glasses, if you don't play your eyes up, they could look even smaller. But for the most part, I don't have trouble with that. But going into another color, I really like wearing this shade when I have glasses on. I think it really plays up brown eyes specifically, and that is more of like those purple tones. So I thought, why not use my little Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves? You guys know I got this at the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. So I'm actually going to take a little bit of this, actually not that one, this one. This one right here, I don't know, does it have a name? Oh yeah, they do have names. So that is the shade Rosy, and it's very pigmented, a lot of fallout, so you gotta be careful. I'm just going to add that into the transition shade. So it's not too purple, just kind of tints the eye a little bit. Again, dragging it out a little extra. So now that we got that in there, we're going to deepen out the outer edge just a little bit, not a lot. Like I said, this isn't really a focus on the eyeshadow. It's going to be mainly on the wing itself. So going into first, we're going to go back into the Tartelette in Bloom. I'm going to take my favorite shade in this palette, which is this one right here, and that is the shade Rebel. And I'm just going to add that on the outer corner. My dogs are crying at the door because they want to be fed dinner. They get fed after 5, mind you, Monday through Friday. But on the weekends, they get wild. They want to get fed at 3. Alright, so now that we got that going, I'm going to go back into the Dose of Colors palette. And I'm going to mix these 2 shades right here. And those are the shades Wishy Washy, how cute, and then Spaced Out. Now with this one, I'm gonna drag it up over my eyeball a little bit. So oh, this is a Morphe E13, one of my favorite tapered blending brushes. So good. Okay, so now that we got that going on, I'm gonna go back into my M504 here and back into the color Smarty Pants from the Tartelette palette, just a little bit. And I'm just going to blend everything out, just make sure it's nice and soft and smooth. I didn't really pick up much color at all, actually. I'm mainly just blending everything out. Okay, so now that that's good, look a little crazy right now, guys, but you know it comes together in the end. I'm going to take, what am I going to take? Oh, this here. A Morphe G8 and wipe away the under eye powder. And the nose too. I think that's cooked long enough. Probably overcooked, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so as you can see, dragged out a little bit, still pretty soft. And now it's time for that wing. Now, when I wear glasses, I like to make my wing a little chubbier, little fat wing, you know, but I still use the same product, which is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So good, guys. $6.99. You can't go wrong. So easy, especially if your eyelids aren't the smoothest or you don't have the biggest space to work with. So good. You just gotta learn to have a little bit of a steady hand. So let's get this wing. So I do it the same way I always do my liner. I start with the edge first and then I connect over. And you want to be careful because if you're like me, when it comes to the wing, you're kind of a perfectionist. So you keep like adding and fiddling with it. And you got to be careful because sometimes you can just ruin the whole wing, which I'm pretty close to doing right now. So I'm going to stop. Let me do the other eye and then I'll come right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and finished up the rest of my face makeup. And I did pop on some lashes. Now, when I know I'm going to be wearing glasses, like I know I'm going to have to be seeing real good, I tend to wear lashes, because you guys know I wear lashes every day. I wear lashes that are, all my lashes are fluffy, dramatic, but I wear lashes that I know are comfortable, because the last thing I want is my eyelashes stabbing me while I'm wearing my glasses. It's just uncomfortable on top of uncomfortable. So I tend to wear pairs that are already worn in, and also styles that I know aren't going to be stabbing my glasses and acting like dirty windshield wipers. So the eyelashes I have on right now are some Divas by Coco Lashes, which are my favorite. I think they're my most natural looking pair, but they're still nice and they still open up my eyes really well. So let's finish up the bottom half of the eye and then we'll get to the whole point of this video. So going back into the Marvelous Mauves, I'm going to actually take Spaced Out and Wine Stain. This really pretty dark. It looks brown in the camera, like the viewfinder, but it's more of like a dark burgundy Merlot-esque. So I'm going to use the brush that actually came with the palette, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of those two, just a little bit. And we're going to put that on the outer edge of the eye, just right here, and drag it inward. I'm only applying a little bit at a time because, you know, These are very pigmented, and I don't want to look like I just threw the shadow at my face. Okay, so now that I have the color laid down, I'm gonna go back into the E13 and I'm going to dip it in pretty much everything that I used today. So, you know, we're gonna go a little bit right here, a little bit right here, and then we're also gonna take it over here. Oh, let's go there too. And then I'm just going to blend out. And we're back. So sometimes when you do the buffing away at the end, you can lose some of the darker pigment that you laid down first. So, and I think this brush wasn't the best choice for it, honestly, either. Just saying. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna actually go back into my Urban Decay Vice little dual brush, not this side, this smaller, stubbier side. And I'm gonna pick back those two dark colors again, Spaced Out and Wine Stain, and just kind of stamp it in there. Alright, so feeling it. Now before I put mascara on, I'm just going to go back in and blend out everything again. You can never blend enough, guys. Okay, now time for a little inner corner and then mascara, and then we will put these glasses on. What do you say? So taking the shade Funny Girl from the Tartelette in Bloom palette, I'm just going to highlight the inner corner a little bit. I actually think Funny Girl was one of the only shades in the palette that I did not like. So let's go over here into my current highlight obsession, and I'm going to take and also put a little bit on the brow bone. And there we are, guys. So for the lower lashes, I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, and then I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, I'm back. So makeup's finished. I just threw on a gloss. This is the e.l.f. and Alyssa Ashley collaboration. So pretty. Anyway, so I have 3 glasses to show you here. I just wanted to show you what this looks like with all of them. And I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do, well, when I'm not being lazy, to stop, you know, if you wear glasses and you like makeup, you guys know that when you put your glasses on, it starts to slowly eat away at your foundation, and that kills me. It really does. It really bugs the crap out of me. But, you know, nothing really to do about it. But I found a way, I think I read this somewhere actually, and it does help. It doesn't, you know, completely solve the problem, but it does lessen it for me, which I appreciate. And that is taking a primer and actually putting it on the little bridge of the glasses right here. And it really does help that situation out. I couldn't even think of how to describe it. I usually use the Smashbox, the smoothing primer, but I don't have one. Oh, I did have one. I don't know what I did with it. But this one works too. This is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. And I literally just take a little dot. This will work for all 3 of my glasses. And I'm just going to put a little bit right on the inner right there, and I just rub it in. One down. And like I said, it doesn't completely solve the problem, but it does help it out a lot. So the first pair I'm going to try on is the pair of glasses you guys have probably seen in my video before, when I used to do like the Sephora Play unboxings. I have a new box to tell you guys about, and let me tell you, I have a story. So here's the first look. Oh my god, so clear. And as you can see, like, obviously when you wear glasses, it does hide some of your work, which kind of sucks. But the lashes, the liner, even the shadow a little bit does play through, and it gives that nice little polished look, you could say. I love this shape. I love this shape, and I do love oversized glasses because I do feel like it makes my face feel smaller. That's just me. So there's that one right here. This type I just got. I actually ordered this one from Glasses USA. This one is a little bit fatter of a frame, or thicker of a frame, and same thing, still that cute little cat eye look. I love this. I love this look. I think it's so classic, and I think it just complements everyone. And then the last one is, I love this. It's like a little old lady. This is the Glasses USA, like the Muse and the Hilary Duff collaboration. I love Hilary Duff. But look at these. So freaking cute. Let me actually dull my ring light down a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. Okay. So it's not like shining crazy, but there you go, guys. You could still see your eye makeup. Like, everybody gets so upset because they think it covers it up. But I think you could do your makeup in a way where it complements you and complements your glasses. Like, this doesn't have to be as annoying as sometimes it can feel. But, turn that back up again. So yeah, a nice little, even like the wing makes even these look almost a little cat eye too, which I really, really love. You can also dress up the glasses, which is going to be the look I do for you guys in the next video. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, if you want me to see something else or anything else pertaining to glasses or any other type of obstacle, we'll say, then just let me know. Leave the comment down below, and remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hold up.